Welcome. In this video I will share some advice with you on how you can make your MacBook Air M4 work faster. First, don't forget to restart your MacBook regularly. To do that, open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Restart every once in a while when you finish the job. Also, close unused applications. If you see any apps on the apps bar that have a black dot underneath them, you can click them and select Quit to turn off such application if you don't need it at the moment. This will increase the available resources amount on your computer and will smoothen your device's performance. Keep your macOS updated, but before you do that, of course, check if you have an internet connection, for example Wi-Fi. And to do it, you have to open the Apple menu, go to System Settings. In System Settings, select General on the sidebar, then go to Software Update and let your device check for available updates, and if it finds any, then of course download and install them. Also in the General section, you can reduce the amount of applications that launch on your device's startup, which will also reduce your device's startup time and will reduce the amount of applications running in the background on your computer. To do that, go to Login Items and Extensions, and here you'll find the applications that launch at your login. If you want to remove some application from this list, you just have to select it and click the minus icon right here. Also, you can find the app background activity here and disable the background activity that you don't need by switching the toggle next to the background activity you have here to the left. Also, clear your device's clear space. So delete the large files or the old files, empty your trash and every once in a while, and remove unused applications to ensure enough free storage, as MacBooks need free disk space to run efficiently. Also, you can use Activity Monitor. You can find it in Apps. If you select Other and scroll down to Activity Monitor, in Activity Monitor you can find a bunch of different processes running on your computer. If you see some application here that you don't need right now, you can select it and then select the stop icon right here to stop it. And the last advice that I have for you is prevent overheating of your device. Remember to use your MacBook on a hard flat surface, and you may consider cooling pads for your device if you want to. Generally, if your device overheats, it not only reduces your device productivity, but it also damages your system and especially hardware. So make sure to keep your device cool. And that's it, all the advice for this video. I hope that they will serve you well. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.